Hi and welcome back once again to that tip for use channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I baked my mackerel fish for my stews and my soup. I hope you enjoy it. It's so simple and easy to follow. So here I already have my washed and seasoned fish, mackerel. I will leave everything that I use in this recipe in the descriptive box below, but I washed the mackerel and then I season it with salt. That alone can even make it taste better. So here I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of oil to it. And I'll go ahead and add this seasoned mixture to it. What I have in here is paprika, rosemary, ginger powder, garlic powder, and some onion powder. So I'll leave everything in the descriptive box below. So here I'll just add it to it, and then we mix everything together. So we're just going to mix everything together. Because of the paprika, I don't want to use my hand. You can just shake it like this. Guys, as I always tell you, I always season my fish, my meat with salt, and sometimes you won't add anything, it will taste good on its own. So this one, you don't need to put it down for it. There is no need to put it down for it to marinate. You can just go ahead and put it on your baking pan, and then voila, you just bake it, because the salt has already marinated the thing. So to prevent it from sticking, if you have spray, you can spray. If you have baking spray, you can use it, but at this time I was out of baking spray, so I just smear it around, and then I put all my fish on it like this, and then we bake. So this is it. Our fish is all ready to be baked. Our oven is preheated and it's set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are going to bake this fish for an hour. We'll bake 30 minutes on each side, and then our fish will be ready. So this is it. Our fish was all ready, looking so nice, and it's ready for our soup, stews, and whatever we're going to use it for. So this is it. Look at how it's looking so succulent, and guys, it tastes better than the ones that you bought at store. So it's always good to make your own at home. It's very easy and simple. You just have to open your windows and then you let fresh air come in there, or you can just use a humidifier in the house to whatever you have. You can light up candles and the smells will go away, but there is nothing like homemade. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. Stay safe.